Hi, I've done this naan for the first time in my life to show you what not to do. I realized I should have done some pumpkin recipe, but oh well. Here you go. So first you do the yeast mixture. So add yeast, active yeast, half a cup of water, warm water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Leave it to activate. In the meantime, prepare flour, salt, and after 10 minutes, add your yeast mixture. Knead until even. Have some fun with it. Once you form it into a nice bowl, put it in a warm place to grow. Once you start moving it, it will fall, but that's normal. Knead your dough a little bit more until it's smooth. Then divide it into 8 to 10 pieces just to form little balls of dough. Leave them aside for a bit more time to activate gluten, and in the meantime cut some garlic and coriander to garnish. Heat your pan, add some butter, and then fry the garlic until golden brown. Roll your small balls into naan-shaped form and heat your another pan without butter. Grill until almost burnt and then serve hot. Decorate with garlic and coriander. Enjoy!